The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, a new paradigm of luxury, begins with a vision. Its foundation is strength and safety. The advanced multi-material passenger cell, the heart of the experience, the dedicated electric architecture, purpose-built from the ground up. Its form follows a perfect function, the one-bow design, a paradigm of aerodynamic efficiency. Every surface is sculpted for silence. This is the art of reducing drag to a whisper. Beneath the skin lies the true innovation, the modular electric drive matrix. Energy is stored here. The high-voltage battery is the structural backbone of the vehicle. 108 individual cells, actively cooled, working in perfect harmony. Power is created here. The E-axle, the electric axle, motor, gearbox, and power electronics integrated. The connection to the road is managed here. The rear multi-link air suspension system. It constantly self-levels, raising for clearance, lowering for stability and efficiency. Above, the panoramic sunroof with magic sky control. It can switch from clear to opaque. Precision thermal management is critical. A dedicated system for the battery, motors, and cabin. Strength without weight. Carbon fiber reinforced polymer cross members add immense rigidity. Vision is intelligent. The digital light headlamps project precise symbols onto the road. The battery is not just placed, it is sealed and secured into the vehicle's core structure. The front axle arrives as a complete, pre-tested module, ensuring perfect alignment. High voltage and data networks are routed through protected channels in the chassis. The braking system uses an electro-hydraulic booster for immediate, responsive feel. This heat pump efficiently recycles thermal energy to maximize range in cold weather. The air compressor supplies pressure to the adaptive suspension for load leveling. Here is the central nervous system, a powerful computer coordinating all vehicle functions. High-speed data lines connect every sensor, actuator, and control unit into one network. The steering column adjusts automatically for a perfect personalized driving position. The MBUX hyperscreen provides a seamless, intelligent interface across the entire dashboard. Beneath its glass surface lies the powerful hardware that enables its intuitive AI. Multiple layers of acoustic insulation are applied to create an exceptionally quiet cabin. The exterior body panels, with their flush door handles, are laser-aligned and attached. Advanced lighting units with full digital light capability are integrated and calibrated. Aerodynamic wheels are mounted, completing the rolling assembly of the vehicle. The final touch, the capacitive steering wheel, the direct link between driver and machine. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. This is how a new era is engineered.